Yes. Ekele kwa munu ndị be anyị. Yes. Ịma na mbịa gba nkịtị all this why people bịa anaghị ekwu ife sọrọ fani onye mepe ọnụ ụwa onye na-enye wuhe onwe ndị 3 square mile ọ pụta onye ekwu okwu ọkwa afọ na-achọ egwu ife a the year is coming to an end small like afọ abụ 365 days enwe n'afọ ewepụgokwa 1 month or 11 months. You not go and look for what you do to yourself. No, either fight here one nigga on Facebook. I got one Zuzu. This week, next week, I confirm more about 15,000 plots of land in Imo State for Ndi Zion. I got one Zuzu. You will not get yourself involved. People, they will just slaughter one by one. Tomorrow onye blue motor buffet is not go ego mobi call iribe. You no go put your eye on the ground. Evangelist Ebuka Obi okwu. Sonya ko unu putara Facebook no. Sonya ma ko unu putara Facebook no. Many fake pastors na ara nwunye mmade. Nobody is talking about them. No, because na Ebuka Obi kwuru na nwaanyị enweghị ike ibu isi. And I say, oh yes, who said we can talk? Man, in the claim, in the Omenala, in the claim, name a culture, in the claim, name tradition and culture of Ndi Igbo. It must say that whatever is written in the scripture is equivalent and is also what is written in Omenala Igbo. I mean, Omenala Igbo, why woman can never break collar. Or if on a call na nwaanyị ada abụ isi na nwaanyị ada abụ nata isi and a woman cannot stand in the sanctuary. That is the reason why I got for many women today in which ministry is a taboo. Let me just support what Evangelist Ebuka Obi said. It's a taboo for a woman to climb altar. So no they go why the husband is there. I've seen so many people who are prophetess. Hasaka na habu nwanyị or climb water na-edo mass na-edo ụka nwanyị na-edo ụka die anọ n'akụkụ because ihe na-akpa ya you subdue your husband eburu eze erigoro n'ọta asị na-ebu amụma ọga what you are doing is abrakataba. Abịa na omenala Igbo na akagbunya bụ such a thing. A woman cannot break collar in Igbo culture. A woman cannot give hand in marriage in Igbo culture. And that is what is in the Bible. So why people are attacking Ebuka Obi? Why people they attack Evangelist Ebuka Obi? A woman can never break collar not. Somebody asked me why are they called prophetess? The reason why they call prophetess is just a prophetess. Prophetess is just a prophetess. Anybody can be is a gift from God. And with many diverse gifts from God. That you're a prophetess does not mean you will climb the altar of God. You climb holy of holy or a sanctuary. You are just a prophetess. And the prophetess remain a prophetess in the church. You can give prophecy. You can, do deliverance, but that doesn't mean you climb the sanctuary. In Igbo culture, a woman cannot give hand in marriage. A woman cannot be Igwe. If that be the case now, then what they are trying to do is to bring European religion to us, because in Europe, in Europe, in England, a woman can be a queen ruling over millions of people in England. In support of Europe, a woman can be president. That is why they want to impose such, but it's not going to be possible, because man in Omenala Igbo can never be Igwe. Ọnọdụ nnọọ asị nnọọ na abịa na Nnewi, Igwe Nnewi bụ nwanyị, na Igwe Ọrụukwu bụ nwanyị, na Igwe Mbọsị nọ nwanyị, na Igwe ụmụaka ọlụ nọ nwanyị. Ọ ife ọ dị ka na kedu ebe ọ dị ke, how will you hear such a thing that na Igwe bụ nwanyị? If you want to fight Evangelist Ebuka Obi on what he said, first of all, ask yourself, can Igwe be woman? If woman cannot be Igwe, that means woman does not have right to climb the altar of holies, holy of holies. A woman that sees her period, she's not authorized to stand on the altar, because that period, that menses why enough, but the violation of the Holy Spirit. That does not mean that one be ife, a woman na full period cannot head a church. Kedaki geji atokwasa mmadụ n'isi si ya etu aka Jehova kwuru. Why pad? Pad dị na ngada gị. Why pad? That is the reason why I stopped going to any ministry over and why in the head. In the head, the ministry, head on your. What does it mean that if or say now why the best supportive? When I say you are confused, I don't reply to fools. I can give you food from January to December, so I don't need to be replying you. So you cannot get to my level. You're not home food. So when I'm Abuja, let me deliver my message. On Facebook that borrows data every day to come online and be talking nonsense. But both people that cannot feed themselves are calling me a fool. A woman cannot head a church. On all the even a family, also a man is a breadwinner of the family. A man is a breadwinner of the family. Now, obviously, or this Asuna, I been a family that you want more carry with the way gunny. Now, wine, there with the gunny. And that is the reason why all you do emphasize all this foolish, useless as a wine. But I didn't yourself as I am coming for you guys one by one. All when I said Jepak the Tona Baka. Aqua was 10 more than 20 million. You are a beggar. I don't have level. I'm block or your ass, idiot. Come on, get out from my page. Do you think I said anybody this year? I said nobody. ENS Oku Bona Jepak does not want to belong again. Now how does he belong? Is he by force? I just say me belong. I have known the truth, and the truth shall set me free. I no one belong. Mago wogu, machu waja, maybe work it, maybe work away. It's not working, and it's not gonna work on my body. So I don't want to belong. People not gonna ask. Can you not ask? That I have seen, or because I don't want to come online, start exposing the secret of all this useless thing and they make us wrong like that. Baby expose. I see this boy doesn't have secret. See I see they expose everything. I don't want to expose everybody. Everybody day your day, make I day my day. But if they push me too much, I will expose everything. But I don't have that kind of time, because that kind of time when we have last 2 years, beginning of last year, I want the time. I want to know the time. I'm moving ahead. because I don't want them, because they don't go talk now. All these native doctors, all these people, all these parading themselves, they don't say they don't go feel challenge me because Najimun na Bamo, they don't go feel open man and call my name. I know their secret, I know what they do. I'm on me feeling how they which me born 1 minute like this. Almost you're gonna be again because I know them. Then I also return back. I got posting 50 million. Also return back. Come on, get that from my page. How much is car? Investment they got to come here last year. That's worth millions. I said my car. Which car? So if somebody come on, get that from my page. Let me block this here. Do you think I'm begging anybody to come and follow me? The followers I have, they are more decent and more matured. All useless people that are on Facebook with fake accounts. Go and look for contact, just about contact. That is what you're supposed to be doing. This is 2024. By now, he goes to give EG a very strong contact. In an war, human being like you, born because JPAC, you know, I love what you are doing. Being at the city of Abuja, then plot of duplex. Open up about €1, and I will keep on giving you people a heart attack. JPAC anywhere below face, JPAC idiot, JPAC Abamo. People like Kubana are not on the phone. People like Bishop Ozoboro are not on the phone. People like men that matters are not on the phone. Or even pastor, just love from God, humanity. Ebe na akpọ JPAC Abamo, ị ga na mmadụ JPAC a na-eme ihe ego. Afọ abụkwa when he emugbu achieve na be nna gị. Ị na-akpọ somebody Abamo. Can't you go and ask God can we put your ancestral curse on a family? You might not know where I be here. And when you have ancestral curse, you know, because now Joe will say, if I in a medicine, or if I'm mad in the parent mad, the only but or if I can pass this year, he make the well afago. People are dedicated, people are dedicated, people are dedicated, people are never travel, but they would they bless the people. In a he got a before my name a clock for 50 years, 4 quarter. When he watch you, Omeroge more a lay. Uruguachi, Bagatia number to Abamo, to page Abamo. Uruguachi Tiaga number to page anywhere below face. Uruguachi Tiaga number. I will not stop giving. Because now in the Bible, Kultur, where they are insulting you, you are making them your friends. By so doing, in a group of people, na go sani see her. If I am today, I will give you money. Mwere collect here your destiny because na Chineke icho him with shishi. Yes, icho him with from God. Somebody you hate. Put a number in 10 minutes. Mara 3,000 a card number. Tomorrow, I will give you. But I am making a way for me, all sacrifice. Not try jam for the month. Before month or now, we got them pim. Next month, I will do give away. If I will do give away. He collect my money, Bariamo. Chineke, where Baria, bless him. He got an Baria for agwu and may pick ego the streets one by one. They pick ego the streets. Keep petting somebody called bless God. Each and every but this year. I got a name of war this year. I'm not ready to fight anybody. I went on that time. And when a lot of things ahead of me, what them time to fight anybody. When in Africa not dragging money. I know they drag anybody again. When Ghana, that was middle of last year. They might drag money. Unlike me before, you let us we post one or the pastor. They are drag. You cannot drag therefore. And I'm correct and correct. I don't know how to drag anybody. Why am I dragging somebody? Hey man, you're not dragging. The person doesn't know you. I don't drag people. If you go na mande na bacha wo mande na munga adama drag money kedi yan na drag ban drag na mada gana onwe ihe oji mere mputa nkwukwe nsepụ ọnụ onwe ife ọjọọ imere ekwuo mee sepụkwa ọnụ jee back return agbaka ị ga-agwa ya agwa ya return hilos ya return hilos mmadụ ji wee bere Thanksgiving return Mercedes eji bere Thanksgiving return moto almost the whole car na garage eji bere Thanksgiving so maybe the mmadụ nye m gift esokwa ekwensu nye m gift I go collect am m nara the gift ekpere na afa nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ amen I go chop am ego ahụ ị na-withdraw na bank do you know how the money come from? Do you know how many hands that touch that money they withdraw today? Occultic hand that touch the money, evil hand that touch the money, but you are still spending it. Why not return the money to the bank? Do you know how the money is come from? When Abba gave me this Lexus, Lexus, people now say Jepak he an accident with this car. Now one did the car. Say Mwa bu Jepak, Mwa bu Chinedu. Moabu is now one deal, yeah, Jimota accident. Lie. It's not possible. Jepak nigga and Kamota, when I have one is what is the reason, Mota, Mua, Jepak. Moabu Jepak, Kamoto Yebu. Moabu Jepak is now one deal, enemies masquerade, Kamoto Yebu. Because now what did they send the baby Kaboto, Mutton Jakam, Jeba, I raise Boto. Yes, and the regular account, Jeba, Remoto, where I come go to Boto, Koye boom. See a lie. I open the bonnet. I anoint the car. Me pay the bonnet. When I anoint oil, bless ya the engine, bless ya tire, bless ya seat, bless everywhere. Tiki, never to okpo. Nyegide engine okpo is nyego engine okpo Lagos. Did I die? Did motor kill me? No go kill me because it's a gift. And when I'm ready, the motor tin a sanctuary ekwensu he be go there go bless him. Ego the FM location, do you know how the money come from? Ego the name location, and do you know how the money come from? Ego the name location, bless yeah. But I'm not know you bless yeah. Now found and one am also amen. I bless this money. Ego Abaramuri in Jesus' name, amen. Mure go to the account. Ego Baramuru. Come on, have Baramuru, Mure go for property. Come on, have Baramuru, come on, Debre, Mure go and answer. It must be useful because it's my sweat. I'm not going to gift to a boom. I'm not going to return any motor. I give the motor. I still have another car. I pack Avalon. My Avalon is there at the other side of the compound. Maybe you think that I've been trekking. My first car, I sold my first car with a go Avalon. My Avalon is still parked there. If you tell a Jepak to go back, I maybe not go to Abu Jepak. No, that is why I'm driving up. Man, give the motor and Mehere. Oh, when I beg you, I suggest Jepak, Remotapa, Nea motor, Mehere, I go driver. My back motor go for 570. My back motor go 47. My back Manaya motor go for another 470. I said, Jepak, get a motor. Neighbors here motor now deep and the guitar no man motor until ye camera enough. I go drive am. Man nyagide kwa I no go sell am. Oga na gba 470. So go and hit your head on the wall. Because now the back the back Anyuhu Ezi Okoko because it is not you. Come and use God and snatch it from me, idiot. You only burn your data on my page. Why buy land in Asaba? Ogunu Jeba, sugar in the Anambra State. Investment na Asaba. Investment in the last Asaba. Zuzu got a bunny. Who know the Igbo up and down. When you don't investment on our league, una sure about. When I say why not Anambra again? Nkaba tanapata about develop Anambra by go out and Anando. I will talk this match where would you ever see about. I can never blame Igbo again see na southeast poorly develop another place. They are on the I can never blame any Igbo. Because the Ndi Igbo we need to suffer in this country for more 400 years. Away from Ndi Igbo. I was boy, we supposed to be slave for next 400 years. Or Ndi Igbo ko serve Nigeria more 400 years. I need na kasi anka more because Ndi Igbo achọghị ihe ọma. Ndi Igbo achọghị ihe ọma atọ. Mmadụ bịa ka ọ bịa develop a na nna ya. Mmadụ bịa ka ọ bịa rụọ ụlọ. Mmadụ bịa ka ọ bịa goro ana ka ọ bịa rụọ develop or something. O nwere ana a na-akpọ Lion Business Park na Enugu. Do you know when that land was bought? Egoro ana onye na handle onye supermarket ya na many celebrities and the Nollywood superstars are market go na even my brother Igbo market go there na. Ka onye ọbụla pụta bịa tie ego ka a bịa develop Lions Business Park Enugu. O nwere ekwere etinye ego. Ndị tiri ego eti ka ebe develop o dị ana. Eto ewere ebe na kidnapping do everywhere. Ị na-asị m gbagba onye Igbo again bịa zụọ na Igbo. O toro gbagbukwa onye a. Onye ọbụla mara ebe ya adịrị ya ma ichi ịzụ na Lekki zụọ. I don't go blame am. Ichi ịzụ na Lekki zụọ na Lekki. Ichi ịzụ na Sokoro zụọ. Whatever that will give you joy, do. Ndi Igbo does not want Ndi Igbo does not want to be free again. Mazen Nanekano is in the DSS custody, suffering. They just forget him easily. The same DSS and Nanekano no. The same arrest here came Ndi Igbo. Now Ndi Igbo is freely walking around. Ndeba Bobble Ndi Igbo. Never said that. Only if Ndi Igbo na-eme na a na-emeru n'isi. Onwere ife ọbụla Ndi Igbo na-eme a na-emeru n'isi. Ndị Yoruba nwere pastor, nwere prophet. Onwe onye Yoruba ọbụla emepe ọnụ kwutọọ pastor ndị Yoruba ma pastor ndị be ha ma prophet ndị be ha. Onwere mana onye Igbo megharị ha anya nwee ministry ruo like 1000 members. The same Ndi Igbo ga-adọgide dọwuo batrị ya ka ọ nwụọ ka hapụ ya nọ n'akụkọ. Anyukwu bụ ihe juru Igbo. Anyukwu na obi ọjọọ. Ufu obi bụ ihe juru ala Igbo. Igbo ka ya obefuru Igbo. I swear Igbo ka ya ata afụfụ. Mbosi mgbe Igbo ya ọdụ ife anyị mere onwe ha bụ na a ga-atalite afụfụ. Una still get love said that they give una position. Mind what you said. Una still get log said that they give us position for this country. I wouldn't have heard even that. Oh, we can't kepu. But that kepu never. I can deny the kepu. Naturally, Buru federal government capital territory. Kepu to Lagos. Bush back to Lagos. Here, the man Nigeria go. Onya Hausa chicha. Ohan there. Ochichi to Yoruba. Yoruba chia. Ochichi ohan there. Ochichi to Onya Hausa. It's a guy they ton. And then baby dear. Unu ga-ebegide onye ọbara aka nka. One man can go weak. You guys doesn't know what that young man is suffering and facing in DSS. All they go weak because now I will not betray you. It is Ndi Igbo that will betray him. Go and watch his statement. Maybe now your phone, you have been phone in data. He doesn't make use of your data. Well, or you will phone and now watch blue film. Just in the current news coming out from Mazen Nanekano. How was the negotiation that the Nigerian government that before or Habo Biafra, Naga Seaport, na Southeast, Ruan International Airport, commission on many things. If I had no Hausa, called one and Igbo, he had a Yoruba land, called an Igbo. Oh, the round table discussion. Maybe you don't watch your news, it doesn't even follow people. Because to follow people that are very hard. You don't follow people because you follow her. If you why will I follow you? I they follow small people will get paid because now them will they give you update. Now they can't do now. What happens? It is in the Igbo that still betray Nandekano. Oh, Ndi Igbo betray Ojukwu. Oh, Ndi Igbo betray I didn't know what Igbo. You know, some more members na Oga Ichi Zua na Sokoro zuo. Because everybody got watching. Ichi Zua na Abuja zuo chizu na Lagos zuo izu 50-50 akụri ụlọ ga-asị ngị sorry ọ bụkwa ndị were ụlọ gị make ego nwetacha ego dị n'ụlọ gị asịkwa gị congratulations because na ndị ama mmeri people buche ego n'aka ka eje develop ala Igbo ma ndị zụtara na everywhere n'Enugu abịazie ka ịwa foundation ana Igbo abọzi ana Yoruba ebe ka ịwa foundation na-eburu egbe gbaba egbe so onweghị onye ihe ebulatazi in the development. Every time we keep on blaming our government, you blame our government, get a bottle break because now all buying and dojo all buy even dojo nonsense. Why are you telling people the guy? Oh, guy, what a bitch or even imagine your own fatherland, you cannot sleep in your own fatherland. When I posted that video, people say, Jeba, no, you're Jimmy telling the boogie. Kedu ihe ọjọọ mere na mo support Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Is it a crime? Na mo support to release Nnamdi Kanu. Amara mo ebe onye Ebuka can come against me because I supported Nnamdi Kanu too. Can I release? Is it a bad thing that I speak for the release of Nnamdi Kanu? Is it a bad thing? Emaro ebe onye na ndị ọjọọ na ndị ohi na ndị ama na ndị kidnapper nwere ike bịa sị okay this guy dị ka ọma mmadụ. This guy dị ka ọma mmadụ ka anyị bue. Ọ bụrụ na onwe ha ego na ndị ọma ya eweta ego. Even the dance can be my own house in the village. Nobody about one man who worry. The oil my baker, Uncle Chabu, so I have to zoom. So when you want about us, no covers and no men enjoy honor. No carry on, no call to one, Naboro, you know, one to one, or they could never have a one ever. Over here, is it not better you go everyone or God, na Canada, na America, na UK? Go and naturalize there because Ndi Igbo achọkpọ ihe ọma n'ụwa. Ndị Igbo achọrọ ihe ọma. Ya so onye ji ego ya mere investment. Enwere many ndị Igbo enwere ndị Hausa na ndị Muslim nwere ụlọ na Dubai. Dubai government have never collected the house from them. Enwere many investment na Dubai. They have never collected the house from them until the time of the year. Or expire. Ndi Igbo nwere ụlọ na UK na America, they are too much. Nwa agbata ihe na-ere ụlọ na America. Ya sị ere zụrụ ụlọ. Mmadụ ya kpatacha ego n'obodo Igbo bata be nna ka o develop. Ị na-asị nwa Asaba ka everybody dey go Asaba because gịnị? All these criminals na-ezu ohi na-eme kidnapping. Before ha cross Sahel Bridge, bata ha na-enwecha attack. And what's a encounter with the police and the army. So everybody around us very soon after that Asaba will be like Lagos. Can you buy a plot of land that has about 5 million? The answer is no. And Akita was not 15-20 million. And then develop Asaba. But now you have to see the Anambra State. But now if you go see the Enugu, or if you go see the nowhere, or if you go see the Abakaliki, many places na Ndi Igbo. Man, I hope you all join phobia make Ndi Igbo. I na-achọ Biafra. Ịchọgide Biafra, ịchọ fee ofe. Ị na-achọ Biafra, ị na-egbu nwanne gị. Ị na-achọ Biafra, nwaanyị na-eghe akara pụta Monde kọbere ahịa, igbue. Ị na-achọ Biafra, onye na-egbe ọkada ji nwunye ma nwa ọfụ ka o je gote akamụ nye họsụta ego wee nye nwunye atụtụrụ egbe ma ọ gbue. It's not people that will fight for you, but one of you as everybody, all men, but you find out that Nandika Potato was home wine. Also, wine, I was in working on Igbo. I never see him working on Igbo. You have home wine. People who are strong enough. Do you think that the eye is up and down? Double strong people who are going about food, soon or goons no kidnapping go no. Same bezienie madana bagdike no bakuyi kebenne. That is why anene ji we bro number 1 anene na ezu ohi mana osuhu benne o veja modogu anene na ezu ori mana osuhu benne o je na bank ogbuwa bank bute ego na bank pụta na street ke ndị ba o je na government buwa government bute ego kende ba. That is an name for you. Kachie ji na ezu ohi na derike wa ma ezu ohi enu ha na ezu ben na ha enu ha na ezu ben na ha ọgwụ ha bịa ha ebute ego ha bịa mee pati kpọọ onye ọbụla akwụrụ line ka right ka ego mana nke anyị bụ kama unu ya apụ jee na gọọmenti jee Abuja egwu a na-atụ unu egwu ebe unu na-akpa ike bụ enwere nwanne gị gbagbuo enwere nwanne gị kechie ya ọnụ n'ime ọhịa na 1 week enwere nwanne gị eti ya ransom ọkwụọ ụgwọ but you cannot cross Okene, you cannot cross Aviele. If you are not the kind of freedom fighter, if you are not the kind of Biafra supporter, if you are not the kind of support one day ka ị gaa n'ihu mana ọ bụ ịbịa edotoro nwanne gị igbuo mana ịkrọs Asaba abụrụ problem, ịkrọs Aviele abụrụ problem, ịkrọs Okene jebe Abuja, go to Abuja now. The reason why Bakassi boys is where Okasi na Bakassi Bagdadi see all the way from Anambra, Ili Igbo poor. They were on their way to Abuja before Hawaii encountered Okene na Kogi State. All page Amodogu. Odu one hey bro Biabene. Odogu and hey bro Batabene. Odogu abuna bro Batabene is a fool. Anybody telling you to for you to be skilling your people. Gebanti ege onye ọbụla sị bịa buru egbe gburu ụmụnne gị gwa the person ya bịa lead ihu ọkụ. Gwa the person si ya bata ebe ọbụla ọ nọ bịa lead ihu ọkụ ka ị join here. This is the second time Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-aba ime cell. This is the second time and he quietly and humbly admitted himself. First time, Obata, no pay Bebo Nigeria government. Second time again, Obata again pay the Bebo Nigeria government. Or if I'm a hero. Tomorrow, Obo Namaz and Naneka and Archer and Afro. He remains a hero. His statue will be now welcome to Ili Igbo. That is Onitsha. Aga Abu statue Naneka and Onitsha. Manono bia una mmadụ were phone call bia block one ebe una eje block wo you na je block ebe ye ejigbu nwanne gị eju onwe gị ajụjụ ị nwere nwunye ị nwere ụmụaka ụmụ nwere eje school and one day ị hapụ ụmụ gị nwụọ n'ọnwụ ike, a death that does not plan by God. They call it untimely death. One day amagbuo gị about thousands of people, somebody that control with the phone call, give block whoever, Natonye ego, give one another the ego. You have never seen $1,000 in your life. Since you were born, your hand has never touched $1,000 in your hand before. Money another money 100 million. All the money in it, I hijack here. All the money in it. Ndi Igbo. You have never collected a dime from Yoruba before. All the machineries name Bonkre, na Port Harcourt, the Ebema, you have never called them, you have never kidnapped them before. They are more than you because they are with full squad security. Manumu nege yakara. Moboy snake goes to go to Camry 2.2. Moboy go to materials. Moboy go to 3 million. But oh no, go celebrate with Nana. You could say no, Nara the motor. Demand Diego. He would tell Diego, Daniel Amafu Diego, a Urega would get to send the room. It's an able muddy. They are using you, but you don't know. They are using you. They use Chagi 2-3 months about working because I got Bobble really. Many people are not sleeping in their house because of the command they have. You leave your precious home, your phone, your wife. It's when you say I talk sugar. You have never greeted your son, your children, good morning and good afternoon before, and even a child. Money control Logi, you know, I got more up and down. Now I want all the holy money in this because of the problem somebody tieregi, and when you tell that problem, you have never known his family, or where he be, or where he goes to where, or where the beginning and the ending. Until a problem after 1 month, Ababuogi, Mwari Moke, anata afụfụ nwa gị nwaanyị anata afụfụ itinye nwunye gị na problem. We're supposed to be like Dubai. I'll go out now. If I go out now, I'll make some videos of kind of development in Lagos. Lagos now, they are working in hand to hand, both the governor of Lagos State and the president. They are one day working. And actually, able to capital territory in Lagos. They are working to beautify their state, even if not only 4 years. Because President Tinubu said, Yoruba people will never suffer. They will never. Okay, but if or if eji amodogu ịpụọ na mba ibite ego ndị unu ndị ọbụgo na ibe onye ohi ọbụgo na ibe notorious criminal ọbụgo na ibu ekperima ọbụgo na ibu ihe nda ụmụnne gị protect godi gị ịnapụta agụ ihe ọkpụ n'ọnụ ịbatazi ebe nna gị dere ụmụnna gị adọghọ ọ bụ ihe unu na-agbagharịa bandan obidati after every Obasanjo still went to Tinubu, his brother. Obasanjo still went to Tinubu, his brother, give him a handshake. Oga, blood is thicker than water. If it is blood is thicker than water. If also remain man, or can obedience, this and that. Na godfather, grandfather, Papa Nukwe, and Kanka. No, Olusegun Obasanjo. Can I everything? What happened? The same Obasanjo still went ahead and give handshake to his own brother, which is Tinubu. They have met in 3 different occasions. That is a brotherly love, because Obasanjo himself, Oma, even if na Tinubu, na people hate the Tinubu, na people doesn't like Tinubu, as long as none as a Yoruba man a president, Obasanjo have forgotten at the corner, Oma, and he's very happy. Madunu. Ofi haija bamba bonande kano. Ofi fe haija bamba. Only would them know that I am missing all his messages, all his talk, all his prophecy. Nobody cares. Even my high chief Iwaji, I met you at Igbo State on one event like that. In every for your mind, it's for your mind, you feel that night. No, where's the go to a brew with the latest Land Cruiser 570 and I got it with the escort. For your mind, if you no, they okay. I am talking to you, High Chief Iwaji. If you no go release my son and the cano, me and you, only when I got Jafu. Mbunu Yaman and Ndi Igbo be slave. I can buy a slave today, or they want anyway. They are calling us slave today in the vessel Nabi. Mbunu Yaman have complete slave. I chon and the canon over there now for her. Mbahu na man and one year. Nobody can be like a man and the canon. I saw you. You want what he over. He his brief. That's so you. I wanted to interview you because Manandame Nande Mopo so him. After me making interview, can just say, what are you saying about the release of Nnamdi Kanu? I was in that occasion with Chief Imo. Everyone, I wanted to ask you because more at the microphone. At the mic, I wanted to ask you. For your mind, God is with you in the Riputaho. I saw you, but when I saw you in the manner, there's no peace for any Omenala Academy. I saw I didn't mean don't tag me. I didn't say it in a but here the governor, you're breathing, you need medical attention. You need serious medical attention. President in there on Ndi Igbo. You need serious medical attention because in the if you want to know, we can draw a microphone, but I was not allowed because of security squad. So we had to enjoy. Kediva name for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Because I'm an enjoy. I had an akana or mufuaka or the event so I don't want to spoil that man event. I don't want to spoil that man event. Two things will be involved. Either that event, everybody here will be zero, or let me not spoil this man event. I wanted to ask you that question when I was following you. Ibu, you know, so your junior brother on a cell, your junior brother on a DSS, and also going to go Igbo. Your junior brother, open you told us your age that you need 80 years. You made mention of your age, you need to go 80 years. At least you are old enough to become Mazen Nandekano father. Nandekano you are 50 something years. So you be old enough, somebody like Mazen Nandekano. So if your son is in DSS, if your son is being tormenting for the betterment of me and you, for the betterment of the whole of Ndi Igbo, Obruso going to go Igbo can aso. Obruso also grammar can aso. Request him stop gossiping and block or get that from my page. Uzu. I hope I've blocked you. I got my hammer on my Moro. I got my hammer on my Moro. Well, that could develop an there. It will able to. You are indirectly telling Ndi Igbo not to be developed, but it's a little Biafra. How does that will work? How can that will work? It can never work. It's a little Biafra, Abi. It's a little Biafra. Man, you don't want foreign investors. It's a little Biafra, but it's of foreign investors to invest in Biafra land. You want Biafra, right? But it does not want foreign investors to invest in their fatherland. One onwere oge abụọ ruo ha gwa anyị si anyị nabazieni. Onwere oge abụọ ruo ha gwa anyị labazieni. Ask me why, I will tell you. Ịmakwana na ọ bụrụ na big boys anyị nwere n'ala Igbo, billionaires and trillionaires ndị Igbo ji wee dị ebube, na ọ wezugara na ndị be anyị ndị oji egbe ezu na-achụpụsi onye ọbụla sị ya agbafusie. Mana the kind of advertisement I megoro so far for people to come back home and develop their land, people are willing. And when they break ike Pentecost, when they break Pentecost, but if I had disturbance by any crook or any rogue, you might open a yana hair woo wine and a hatch of so wine and a hair, you know, Kai maybe if I were a Ndi Igbo, but Ali Igbo, he developed Ali Igbo within 5 years. Ada Isiagu Lagos, it has a baby in Lagos. Ada Isiagu Lagos, it has. I'm not. See, let me tell you. Wait for this Lagos here for now. Any good plot of land in Lagos at 500,000. I never take. To tell you, never another Balabara. I'm about to deal with Lagos. I can forfeit everything out of my house. Start a motor, buy a fuel, not here. I can comfortably live in Abuja. Go to Igbo people. Him and then Lagos get a fee na ndị nọ Lagos get a fee na ha ji ego karịa ndị nọ Abuja. Abuja bụ ebe a ga-adọbara ego. Ebe a ga-adọbara ego zọdị ọba. How do we develop our land? People are willing. Big boss are willing. Philanthropists are willing to come back home and develop their land. But the problem is that, are they safe? Are they safe? Are they safe? And they only 100,000 in account. You cannot freely walk in Onitsha as Ben Nagi. Manam Bebito Obi na-achị, crime bụ zero crime na Anambra State. Enwere ihe na zero. I don't tolerate any crime. Everybody boss or bofusicha. Are they safe? Oburo President develop an Igbo, develop Omenala, develop Nka. Are they safe? Are they safe? Somebody on the roof where they remote the room, no make on. Block on Isiagu, block on Obakala, block on the Inquiry, block on Eba, Oya hana ngoro champagne. Eba, yeah, boss, Iri Martins. About Iri Martins. They were angry. Container container lata away. Go about Coco and illiterate who doesn't have future. As you no get future, won't you build the future of your family? As you no get future, won't you build the future of your wife and children? A big Egbe, a blue Egbe, with only one phone call. Only one when poor. We are looking for Biafra. I not Biafra. I not Biafra anymore. Ema United Nations. You just Biafra na United Nations. Ema African Union. That is why Nanakan is still the best. Nanakan does not support any killing. Only Budo J United Nations, J African Union, J European Union. Can I see top leaders? I gotta say top leaders. Do you think you can get Biafra Nimoya? Do you think in your life from now till 1,000 years that you will get Biafra inside bush? Use your head. Use your head. As you know, go school, as a gaga nuche. My old mother said, no, passing seas, abra passing sense. Passing seas is never a passing sense. Do you think you can get Biafra without authorization of European Union, without African Union, without United Nations? Each and all more here, can want Biafra. Each and all more here can want Biafra. He remember he nezu. People that will help your life. You to a big man a phone here, chairman sir. I've won your job before. Because only my Ben Nagame or Ojiego. Zanamuka up my job before I be doing naked nap on my hand, be boom muddy. But after going this life, and this life is not worth living. Please, sir, I want to drop everything. Please help my life. Just help when I want to travel out from this country to better my life. Hey, man, no, you're going to open the airport for come on, my slippers more. I swear with my mother in the grave. Hey, man, he will call on your garaya. Oh, I'm not a mass on Yuri. As on your number, he man, he on your phone where you are because Sienna, you want to drop this life you are living. You want to better your life. Please help me. I want to travel out from this country. But you talk about natural slippers, man. All you're going to go times 2 because all my nature Hebrew. All my nature Hebrew. Okay, go times 2. Even he will help you and fly you abroad. All my nature Hebrew. Man, all you're going to by force. Kechi akwa n'anya, kechi enyi, kechi n'ọnụ. Dobe n'ime ọhịa na-enye nye ofumkpụrụ ndomi ede. Onye ahapụta n'ọnọdụ ahụ ọ nọ. Oge ewere million sponsor ka egbuo gị. Oge eji million sponsor ka egbuo. See, life is precious. Life is precious and life is very, very sweet. for someone to lose life just like that. Somebody on a Palobe, now Remy Martins, S.O. Glenfiddich, command the area with the phone call. DJ Menka, Izuzuru. Who told you that Biafra will be gotten inside bush? Who told you that Biafra, as you no go school, you no go sense, they don't give God no give you sense? Who told you that Biafra will be gotten inside bush? Now, Nime bush, and yet Biafra, you end up killing yourself and killing your family and bring bad name to the society. They have tagged IPOB before as a terrorist group, and you want to help them to actualize that dream that IPOB be a terrorist group. Because what is terrorist? Terrorist is somebody that handle gun, is somebody that handle knife, somebody that handle machete, is somebody that kill and destroy. That is called terrorist. Now, do you think that that terrorist will not be actualized? Biafra can never be gotten inside bush. Biafra is an international. Is worldwide. I boarded a flight from Qatar when I was coming back from Qatar. Now, but somebody asked me to log in to their television map. But then their map of map of Biafra is even in Qatar Airways. And this is what Nnamdi Kanu have been fighting for. Not in Qatar Airways. It's other my video. Biafra. The Republic of Biafra. Now, Mark, if I'm aware that, a lot of travelers have never seen this. A lot of travelers have been Airways, all the Emirates, all the Qatar Airways, all the airway open television. Now, and the route how they use, how they make use of Nsoka. All the people traveling to Brazil, Dubai, America, Europe, everybody that travel, moves Hanaba, Lagos, Hanaba Cotonou, Hanaba Ghana. No, I've never seen Ghana in my map. All the travel near name, I didn't forget on the map. Because that route, cruise is a travel. Route is a matter, I haven't been near any international flight I've not been here today. That is why Mazen Nanagan is a guru, is a legend. People need to listen to that man. I listen to him and I practicalize it and it works. Every airline of an airplane from the Murtala Mohammed Airport, Nadazlu Airport, Abuja, they will still turn back and follow southeast. Every airline na Apple, Mandela America, Mandela Brazil, my Lufthansa, my KLM, Hatton Apple, have been near. They are turning back. They will follow southeast. They will follow Nsoka. Kai, people need to open their mind. Open them on Facebook now. Ransom. When you go with we say Abam, when you go with you that have never traveled. When they go spend in a month in a flight, you never 1 year. We travel to explore, to get news. Even when they bad flights, thank God there's no beside a lie. Those people that operate using map, flight map should testify. They are here now. They will say they talk for out of point. They are here, make them talk now. Even if from Lagos here, map will show you Nsoka. Map will show you Okene. Map will show you Nnewi. Map will still show you Onitsha. Map will still show you Enugu before you cross Gawazi. And every air space, and I want to air space open. Bobble Egbe, una mai funu mere. Bobble Egbe, una mai funu mere. Every air space, and I want there. And that is the main reason why here BHG Biafra. Because no one Biafra we don't have today. All airlines in this Lagos, Apple, Abuja, Nagafe, Enugu, and you must pay. You must pay. Now the kind you charging for everything in the diagram. TMB. Yeah, we go consider better southeast, but they go in there that shrink in the money. Nkuo we mama bawo. Very full. But go the flight. I saw hang about flight in the Enugu because it's not when I have flights in the go some up then all this local flight. Bar flight in I brought one Ghana because Ghana about direct, Ghana about straight, Ghana for 5 minutes. Ghana now about 45 minutes straight to Ghana. Ada when you can't get that map in Ghana. Bar international flight neje America, neje UK, neje Lufthansa, neje Europe. You may pay map that TV. Nada ever here no. It's not. Don't use it and watch movies. Don't use this and watch before you cross Africa. Upon Africa, me go DFS. Osbo flight ibiniri. Nene map. Os flight move osbo. Jena map me pay map. When I can zoom way like this. Zoom way if flight or aga. Flight can do if we not newe. Ogo energy America. Ma China everybody ne Ishi and in. Enough who's Hanaba. Oga for the newe. Enough for the route of the flight. Oga newe. Oga Enugu. Oga Nsuka. Ogara Abakaliki. Then Obasa town one Bafesia rivers Akwa Ibom. Enough for everything in the map. Do you know about one of those things now we go? Country open with multiple flights now for their airspace. You might go down and make. Country open about fair. Before flight be near start the engine now. Okay, you don't pay. I confirm your payment in the internet. Just like motor they load my two. Before you load agent they join on each other. If one double go, the country Bible. All country we must pay. If you don't pay, we shoot out, what 2 flights are then. If I was at time flight made a mistake, we have a fair route in the Turkey. What to do and I was supposed to do. Is it because our country does not have security? Try it in Asia country, try it in other countries. What for their airspace without Igebuzo. If I go airspace here, over here, 13 countries where you must pay. If you don't pay about 2 other flights, then anyway, believe it, how far? At least you are not enjoying my live broadcast. Let me block you. Let me block you. You don't watch this teaching. The teaching they figure finance. You don't want this teaching. Comment nonsense, I block you. Something you don't know, you don't want someone to teach you because you hate the person. Can't you listen from the person you hate? This is what Ghana have been fighting for. Because I'm Biafra today. All the airline need them and Ghana and get anywhere I see now Buffet Soka. And you will pay. This is Biafra land. You must cross Niger Bridge. Forget you across the bridge. There's no more sorrow. You must cross Niger Bridge. Or Biko. Nobody's begging you. You must. I have the video on my phone. Or go to my page. You'll see the video when I traveled. When I was coming back from Qatar. Even when I was coming back from Dubai. I witnessed such a thing. But I was thinking it's lies. Somebody in Qatar told me, say I should make use of my map. Now, Biafra. Ndocha, where the Republic of Biafra. Now, map. All airline where if you know to go, that Biafra they recognized. You go see a strong team. A strong team and strong union. Ndema kesi asu. Ndema kesi ede. Ejebe African Union. Jebe European Union. Jebe United Nations. Inwe 5 men agitators so they strong. Ejebe number 1, not n'ime ọhịa. You don't get Biafra. But every day, every year, I say, In next month, Biafra will be actualized. In next month, that month we are going to go away. Upper month, Biafra will be actualized. Only more here, they will get Biafra inside bush. Use one a brand no. I would have gone on. Can't Ndi Igbo today. Wanyoka TV, Wanyoka TV, I can agree to you. Wanyoka. Prosperity was there, I agree to you. What the grandma? I want to add somebody. John Amos, because accept your request. Kaito Jaka are very, very important. Paulinus Kingsley Obonna, Madake Ebo. Oh, sorry, I did not see you on time because of a lot of messages. God bless you. Ofebu Arenze. Wabaraganama. Mapsin. God bless you. Austin Ume, I greet you. Austin, the women get at the moment. Also, Jebag, I need their contact. And now, contact my mate in Facebook. I get what I call Boo Battery. I get you call Boo my battery now. Jebag by Amaro, we are here to save life. Just DM me, I will get you and give you my WhatsApp number. Ndi Igbo ji dey be ekeleba m unu chai. Ọmọ bele bulumu kainaba. Amala seliye. Amala seliye. Egwu amala dulumu kainaba. Amala seliye. Amala seliye. Jude Maswell, I greet you. Obaka Ugu, I see you. Ijioma, Yakazire. Gentle Bless, I greet you. Ukaf Emmanuel, I recognize you. What Jesus? And I'm live. Badana my life now. Okay. Ukaf Emmanuel, I greet you and I cite you. Ewenike Dengasha Sebastian. Alex Ogua, I greet you. Sochim Anozie Madakebo. Edison Okereke. Oh, Morgan de Paulinus against Leobona. I greet you. Modesta Love, Chai. Maputo. Oh, Maputo, na Mozambique. They go na Maputo. Maputo, Masmos, Patrick. If I and then I'm on a phone, wash yage, had I complain, that I'm when I pack, I bomb my data. Where from yesterday in a bridge. JPAG, he got at them, he got at them, or that, or they take it when you hear JPAG the phone, very Igbo. JPAG, he bought and see, oh, my God, I'm not 10,000. I go out a rapper, where dash, take with your brother. But under nobody, once you are making a point, they will stand, watch Yari to end. So that if they want to advise you, they will know the area they are advising you. If they want to support you, they will know the area they are supporting you. Maputo! Massimus Patrick is a woman who need Google. And I'm a Maputo, eh? Sunday Vites, Sunday. Not forgot to go lie you. Ebuka Conquer, I wash you. God bless you. Jepa say want to use Biafra as content. Obi Bondis because Biafra can never be a content to me. Biafra is something that will be actualized. Bobble and Ndi Igbo kwe. Ewatara. Omni Igbo kwe. Or Afamadi Igbo kwe. Ewatara. Obuan nas na Igbo gaga wani mo yan so wadro. Encha na lawade asabana. Emajoka da kama mande gata yao. Very nice. I greet you. Obi of Obi. Okay, sorry, Toby Emmanuel. I greet you, sir. Omasirichuku Emelis. Omasirichuku Emelis. I greet you. Wanyam. Oga TV. You what follow you? Henry Onyeka. Omo, Shineka Gozela Naba by giving them Mr. Alex Oti. Modest love, I greet you. You're welcome. Okafe Manuel, I greet you. Paulus Kinslobona. Linda Onyenye is Leo. Chinedu Kanime Simtina. I greet you. Chukuno says Ezekiel. I cite you. Paulus Kinslobona. I greet you. Ezo Bikinsele. The man you be. Masamon Patrick, Queen Joy. Chinedu Okanime and Alex Ogoa. I greet you. Collins TV, Nwa CJ. I cite you. Henry Onyeka. Young World, Sid Nation Gabriel, I greet you. Israel Michael, I greet you. Precious Chika, I greet you. Wamara Nama. Nsubechi Anonye, I greet you. Christovic Washington, I greet you. Optimistic Splendor, I greet you. Wamara Nama. Collins TV. Obi former Gene FA I greet you. Stanley Okafor, I greet you. Mobi, I greet you. Ishi Emmanuel, I cite you. Favor James Emeka, I greet you. Henley Uzoma Iwe Bunam, I greet you. Okoro Sophia, I greet you. Favor James Emeka, I greet you. Fresh Out Frank, I greet you. Henley Uzoma Iwe Bunam, Daniel Eze, I also cite you. Ishi Emmanuel, I greet you. She Mbam, Mwama, I cite you. Kowa Marayanama, Overstar Marayanama. Godwin Purity, I see you watching me. God bless you. I'm not here to insult anybody, but I'm gonna know Bikana. You have to do things right. Felicia Oriako, I greet you. Ndi Igbo, have a fight ourselves. Let us unite together and think how to bring back home Ifebunkai. Emmanuel Chinonyerem, I greet you. Chidimbam, I greet you. People's governor. Can you wanted to go out now, but I saw you. Can you send the request? Give us something by hi. People's governor, send their request. Send their request. Only skills to the one. God bless you. Chim busoma. Oh, afa maka. Chim bus gene somma. Chim busoma. I greet you. Mexico TV. People's governor, please send requests. I'm already make sure not.
I greet you. I greet you.
Arabam.
I love
yes,
you.
Arabam.
You are making us proud.
Yes, Arabam.
I love you, Mr. J.
Thank you very much.
Keep making us proud. Keep making us proud.
God bless you. God bless. Governor Isiagu is coming. Can I wear Governor Isiagu make cheesy on or do I? Lekato Steriba. Lekato Seriba. Kata Saraba. Lekado Badaba.
Mr. Gilbert is the testimony this morning. Only a testimony this morning.
Testimony Mbia for him and I will go there arrange Baranime. It's not that I cannot use live something that happened real. Yeah, here they major we here me na to us. Because now onye ohi bịara be zuo 100,000 naira. Ọbịa gwa ndị mmadụ na ezuru 1 million. Ọ ka ji ndị ohi ụgwọ 900,000. But I really thank God in my comment section. A lot of people that they better that place they testify. Said that he is ime hanarie. You got that? If it's on emails, but hanarie mezo. And the governor, I told you, you were the one even telling me, Jepa, be careful. In a queen here, the carbon and this work with us. J-Pack, be careful. But thank God I applied that carefulness. Thank God for everything. Who no go, no. Inside life, no. Do you know? I don't know cigar, but I didn't want a cigar. Moyoko, you pussy up and never caburo. Yeah, never caburo. Candika and the rugged person. Yeah, never caburo. I thank God for the wisdom of God. If not, man, I get to go. Breaking news: a controversial online blogger was taken away.
Even the kind of English I got it
even my now say, but I gotta say, let his Jesus had disappointed him. Let his Jesus save him.
Reality have hit him.
I'm gonna say, let his Jesus save him. Jesus said disappointed again. Glory. Chocolate, I greet you.
My brother, no what I do work. I have to maybe program.
You want also. You want also.
Oh, Allah, thank you.
Remember, bless. Governor Isiagu.
Ana m ebe a.
Ị na-anọ ebe a, ana m afụ ihe na afọ blọk.
Amakwa ihe mere emi nna ịmanụ amachara nke esi apị fon.
Enyi ịmara
enwere ihe na-eme jepa.
Silence is a crime. Silence is a crime. Very
big crime.
Akụzayọm
nọ here.
Akụ.
I could join.
Ako. Send the good request, Ako. I'm not seeing you.
Ako Zion, Ijimugwo 30 billion. As not going in charge, I go offering. And you have not given me offering money. So, and
I thought you know how to send the request now. Go to the left side of your left side of your phone. If you take a group, you send their request.
Now, all the can go up, but I go back. Any remain for even them and I had a cook weber.
Are you not seeing
Glory Juma, you're welcome. Governor Zoku sees you here. Okay, everyone, just comment. The good people here, comment. As I see your comment, I'm going to say hi to you. And if we are led to touch your life.
Oh, you know, 50,000 yesterday. We're close. First contract people who get follow Naga Abari have him by weekend. I'm going to drink and I want Macre. Oh, Macre.
Okay, Jeff, let's.
Huh? Hey, yeah, I could said forgiving Ken. I said forgiving Ken. Okay, I could say I'm here now. Why am I not seeing him? Is it network or whatever? Ndi Igbo send the request. Now I know you are here, but no going to send the request. I think when I go, I'm going to send the request. I'm not seeing him.
Jepak, I want to tell you something now. I want to tell you something.
Yes.
Do you know what took me to Zion Ministries at first? The day we went there first. Do you know what took me there?
What
took me to Zion Ministries at the first time was that song that says Abato Yina Chuajomo Ebube Nabuku Ebube Nabuku. You understand? You know, I love music. I love it so much. So much. You must love it. You must.
What I'm saying now, nigga, barrier because of war. What's it be? It's a nigga barrier war. Well, you came. Did you came? You want to say, but no, no, bro, to is it go the outside. I soon know the humble to the core. If go be the humble to the core, I swear. Humility and we here.
And let me say this here.
Hello.
Okay. And funny enough, Monday Dibia Yemecha go and neighbor because of him. You listening to me? Jepak, wait, by the grace of God, it's like I will show you something now.
Okay.
For the very first time, I think I need to show you something. Governor Zioku. And I'm speaking from my locality. For the very first time, I am telling you that I'm speaking from my locality. So that people don't argue what they don't know. Are you seeing me?
I'm seeing you now.
Now, I'm speaking from my village. This is where I am. This is my compound. Okay?
Yes.
This is my house. From the village. But let me show you. So, every neighbor, You could remember because of Ebuka Obi, okay?
I know about this one.
See, I think you can see it. Network is bad. No, honest, I did it. There was.